Hey there, my name is Nitish. In this video, I am going to talk about private getter and setter. So let me share my screen with you all. So first of all, I will create a new file and the file name is going to be phone.dart. So let's create a class called phone. This is going to have three property: string, brand, double, price, bool is 5G, if the phone is 5G or not. Okay, so phone, and now I'm going to make a constructor this dot brand, this dot price, this dot is 5G. Now we are having a constructor. So all the things which you are seeing are private, not private, it's public. So let's come here in a different file. First of all, we will import that. Import phone.dart. Let's add a semicolon here. Now it's fine. So what we will do the next thing which we are going to do is make an instance phone p1 equal to phone. We have to pass the things. So we will write Samsung, the price is 1200. After that is 5G. Let's make it true. So we have made an instance. So if I want to come here and say print p1 dot brand, we can print it. If we say p1 dot price, we can do this easily. If I say is 5G, so we are doing this thing. So suppose that if I come here and if I want to print it again, and before printing I want to change the value, so how we can do that? We will write p1 dot brand equal to, let's make it apple. So you can see that now we are printing the value which is associated with p1. After that we are just changing the brand to apple, and if I try to print the brand, let's see if it works. Or let's print all the property, that will be much more better. Yeah, so how I will do this, I will write dart and the file name which is 04. So you can see Samsung 1200 true, Apple 1200 true. So we have successfully updated the brand name, which is not good because I do not want that someone should easily change one property associated with this one, or someone should update anything anytime. So for that we need to restrict the user. So how can we do that? So for that we need to use private. So let's come here and let's try this. So now I am going to make things as private. So I will use underscore, underscore, and underscore. So now what I will do, I will use underscore here also. So now this one is fine. We have made everything as private, which means that we can set the value using constructor, but after that no one can get the value using the instance. So let me show you that by example. Here we have created an instance. So now if I will try to print p1 dot name, not name, it's the brand, you can see that I am getting an error. If I bring my cursor here, it will say the getter brand is undefined. So this is the problem. So some of you might think that here is underscore brand and I am using directly brand. I should use underscore. So if I will try to do that, this will also not work. So underscore is used to make something as the private. So we have made all the three property as the private. So let's make the brand as the public. So if I make the brand as the public, so now anyone can access the brand, but still the price and is 5G is private. So if I will try to access the price, I will get the error. So let's run this, and we are getting the error, the getter price isn't defined for the class phone. So why this is happening? This is happening because of the private property. Like we have made this thing as private. So how we can fix it? Like how we can allow the user to get the value? So for that we need to make a getter. So we need to write, first we need to write that get. After that the name of the getter, so the name of the getter is going to be price, and after that what we will do, we will write a this one parenthesis, not parenthesis, a curly braces. So inside this scope we just have to return this dot price, and the spelling RETU, yeah, return. So you can see that when someone will try to get the price, so this is a getter which start with the get. If someone will try to use the getter price, this is going to return this price. So if I will come here now, if I will try to access the price dot price, you can see that I can access it. So let's run this. So you can see I am getting the price. But suppose as you remember, the brand is public, the price is private. So if I try to update the price, like if I try to update the brand first, let's update the brand. Let's update the brand to the Apple. We can do that because if you remember, it is a public property. So what is private? The price is private. So if I want to update it, I can't do it anymore. So you can see that it is saying that there isn't any setter. So in order to update the value, we need to make a setter. So whenever there is any private property, you cannot get the data, you cannot set the data. If you want to allow that, so for that you need to make a getter and setter. So we already have made a getter. So it's time to make the setter. So setter start with set and the name of the setter, which is going to be price, and after that there will be a curly braces, and inside this we are going to say update the value. But whenever we are going to update the value, we need the new value which user want to assign. So for that we will use a parenthesis here, and the price is, you can see here, double. So we will write double price. Okay, so now I will write this underscore price equal to the price which user is passing. So I hope you got this point also. The price which user will pass will be assigned to this private property. So let's try this now. So now if I will set this to the where it is, yeah, now if I will set to the 120, it should work. So let's run this. You can see by default it was 1200. Now it's 120. Is there anything missing? Yeah, there is something missing. Let's run this again. Yeah, so now you see Samsung 1200, Apple 120. I have updated these two things. How I did that? First I made it private. By making it private, no one can access it. You see the price is not accessible, no one can access the data, no one can update the data. So for that I made a getter. So getter allowed us, here you can say, to get the data. So now we can get the data, but if you will try to update, we can't do that. So for that we made a setter. So now we are allowed to do both the things. So suppose if we remove the getter, which is the get, you can see that now I am getting error for the when we are trying to get this, when we are trying to get this, but when we are trying to set this or update this, we are not getting any error. So I hope you got the concept of getter and setter. So whenever you make something as the private and you want that the access of this should not be allowed outside of class, or you want that no one should able to update this from outside, they can only get the value, in that case you can use this getter and setter. You will find lots of use cases, but I hope that you got the concept of getter and setter and the private in the Dart. Thank you.